This is a computer networks course, but when we talk about computer networks we need to make it clear where we are going, because the study of networks is very broad, ranging from a short course of a few hours to a doctoral thesis on interplanetary networks. The best way to solve this is by describing the use we intend to give this knowledge, and here in the Hacker course it is certainly not about training network professionals, but about clarifying the minimum necessary about how networks work and how the invasion of systems and computers relates to it. Once the objective of this learning has been established, we can define what will be taught. Local network concepts. Electronics basics. Network servers. Network design. Wireless networks. Network security. This knowledge is the minimum necessary for anyone who intends to interact with computer networks beyond being a user. In your case, it's the minimum knowledge necessary for you to invade and protect local networks, but since it's about using hundreds of different technologies, don't stop there. Keep researching, reading and taking courses related to computer networks, because almost all hacking is done over the network. After watching the video classes and reading the support material, you will be able to fill out the evaluative questionnaire to receive the certificate. If you need, contact us and ask all your questions with the teacher.